If you ever have water cascading over your gutter trough, more than likely you have a plugged downspout. The 2x3 downspouts, they're very efficient, they're very cost friendly, and they work just fine if you're not in a tropical storm region. But the one drawback to the 2x3 downspout, debris will get stuck in the 90. Always go out with an umbrella during a good rain and make sure that your underground buried downspout system is working efficiently. If it's not, then you need to address it. Usually just putting a leaf blower in the downspout and blowing air through it is enough to clear any blockages. This has been building up for years. You can see this organic material has turned into topsoil. This has been clogged for a couple of years. Yes, a clogged downspout can flood a basement. Yes, a clogged downspout can flood your sunroom, your garage, your crawl space. A little bit of preventative maintenance goes a long ways, and you can always add 3x4 downspouts on any size gutter. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,